discount here?
Let's see if it works.
This is our hotel. Hamilton, Sapporo. So, yeah. And then we will go down at Sapporo Prince Hotel. How many people?
Kuripot Traveler Alert.
Just a moment. Do you accept credit card? Just 1 minute. Show you. No discount? Do you have discount here?
Awat na te.
Certified Kuripot.
This one?
Ang totoo niyan, kumonek pa ako sa internet. Kaya dapat bago pa lang mag-search na kayo at i-screenshot para hindi na kayo mataranta. Type nyo lang sa Google Chuo Bus JCB. Then click nyo lang yan. And pwede nyo na yung screenshot and i-save. To get 30% discount, ipapakita nyo lang yung screenshot and pay using your JCB credit card. And yes, JCB credit card lang po ang meron 30% discount. And valid until March 31, 2026 na lang po. You can use it round trip or one way. You can book up to 4 tickets per card, but no cancellation po. This promo is offered by Chuo Bus. For me, ito yung pinaka-best option na transportation if galing ka sa airport, going to city center or Sapporo station. Para hassle-free if magte-train ka, ang daming transfers. Plus, marami ka ring mga luggages. So, limousine bus is the best option on the first day of your arrival.
Okay, 2% already. Yeah. And on JCB, 30% discount. So, the regular
So, instead of paying
Thank you
2,600,
so much.
I pay only 1,820 yen.
Thank you.
Kaya for me, I really recommend take the limousine bus, not because meron siyang discount, but because very convenient siya. Compare sa JR train na medyo busy, lalo pag wala kang reserved seats. Check nyo na lang sa screen yung amount ng ticket per person and the price after discount. So tip ko lang guys, ipakita nyo yung address ng accommodation nyo para ma-guide niya kayo saang bus stop kayo pwede bumaba na mas malapit. Sa amin about 6 to 8 minutes walk kami bago makarating sa hotel. They also have large compartment para sa mga luggages. So, that's it. Sharing is caring. Bye! Oops, sorry. Habol lang pala. Yung driver din ang magbababa ng mga gamit. Unlike sa train,
Thank you.
medyo hassle magbitbit eh. Though may escalator and elevator naman. Hassle lang talaga makipagsiksikan. Lalo pag first time and pag busy yung station.
So, let's go na.